if you guys give me a follow or anything, it'll pop up like I'm going live, and I'll start cooking dinner more on live. Small town Missouri. This is my puppy. This is my puppy. Are you done? Is that it? Okay. She has not. Am I in West Plains? No, I'm not in West Plains. I don't even know where that is. At all. I'm really bad with directions in general, so I don't even know, man. But yes. Good, healthy lunch. If there's anything you guys want me to cook occasionally or ever, just send me a message and I can definitely look through it. If it's seafood, I won't make it. I don't touch seafood. I don't like it. Oh, thank you, yeah. You're a chef yourself. That's awesome. That is one of my biggest dreams, is to own my own restaurant, actually, but I am going for snarker. I do have a crock pot, actually. I have an Instapot, but same difference. And an air fryer, which are pretty good. But I'm gonna hop off here because I don't like eating on live unless it's like a quick snack. But I'm going to get out of here. I hope everyone has an amazing rest of their days. Give me a follow. I post.
Make sure y'all like the live, y'all. What happened? Huh? How are you, Cam? I'm good. How are you?
I really don't know why there's so many people.
How come you all these people?
It's
I don't
great.
know. We're all just talking. It's fun. We're all friends now. This is a safe spot to yap because I'm a yapper.
If anybody has a random lore,
Do you
they would
know
love
how
to drop in the comments.
I've literally, on one of my lives, me and like people were yapping and someone like came in there and like tried to tell like the person I was yapping to shut up, and I attacked them because once I start talking to my live, I really think we're friends. Like, I think we're on FaceTime, I think we're friends, and now I have to defend y'all.
I want somebody to tell me the most
weird. Give me some crazy lore.
What has happened to you, because it doesn't matter if you tell me because I don't know who you are. I just want to know.
I promise whatever y'all got, I could probably
Who be
beat.
farting the most? Cameron. Mona Lisa. Oh, Mona and Lisa.
Mona and Lisa. Not Mona Lisa, just Mona and Lisa. Do you not drink? I do. I'm just not drinking right now.
Did you drink on live?
I did. I did. I forgot I did that too.
Why does this other girl talk?
Have we not both
We both been
talking?
Am I talking too much? Are you not talking?
I don't know. Who's talking too much? There's no such thing. Hell yeah, I got the location.
Look at my teacher. Only you.
We're about a garden. Do you want to?
My other thing went away. So yeah.
Okay.